300. 300.
ये स्लो मोशन कर रहा है।
अरे गगन सर का तुम्हारा और मैं
Starting them here. Please, can we have a round of applause for our guests? They are here. Everyone present here. Constitution and freedom has not come easy. It is because of the sacrifices and hard work of our pride and honor. I wish you all a very happy 74th Republic Day of India. Okay? Side, India moves towards the magical path of spirituality while entering into a new era of harmony with the inauguration of Ram Mandir in Ayodhya. Jai Shri Ram. Chandrayaan-3 is a showcase of India's successful space exploration attempt, which achieved a soft landing, none other than ISRO it is. So, Mr. Abhishek Kumar Singh, let me brief all of you little bit about who our guests are. You will be very proud to know. Abhishek Kumar Singh commenced his journey at ISRO as space scientist in January 2012. He has a robust academic background with 2 times postgraduate, including MSc in mathematics with 4 gold medals. Yes, with 4 gold medals from IIT BHU and MCA from IIT Roorkee. During his tenure to ISRO, he has supported more than project manager. He has contributed significantly to the success of ISRO's Mars Orbiter mission, which they call MOM, and Aditya L1 mission 2. Next, we have Mr. Satyendra Singh. He joined ISRO in 2010. He holds master degree in mathematics again from BHU Varanasi. Presently, he is working at Flight Dynamics to more than 14 satellite missions of ISRO, including prestigious Mars Orbiter mission, Chandrayaan-3 and also Aditya L1. Good. What credentials? Okay, so we have also Abhishek's family here joining us in Silas. I'm sure you would be very proud of him. Okay. So now I call upon our respected President of Silas,
वंदे मातरम। मैं अभिषेक जी और सतेंद्र जी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत करता हूं अपने सिलास में, और मैं उनका तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करता हूं कि हमारे इनविटेशन को उन्होंने एक्सेप्ट किया इन स्पाइट ऑफ उनका बिजी शेड्यूल के कारण। और अपने सिलास की तरफ से अगेन वी वेलकम from Silas Association, Abhishek ji and guest of honor. मैं अभी अपने सिक्योरिटी को रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि उनको
awaiting moment. I humbly request the guests to come for unfurling the tricolor. I request everyone to please stand up. We are going to unfurl.
For Trijita, our own Silas talent.
Indeed, she is very talented.
And one more surprise that we had for all of you, that both of our esteemed guests are part of our Silas family. They are actually our residents. And thank you so much, Abhishek and Satyendra ji. And I'll request security to please escort them.
Yes, now you can sit down. We can't explain you how lucky we feel today to have you. So, I call Mr. Satyendra ji to come forward and enlighten us with your
and the families of all of them. So, today we have gathered here to celebrate the 75th Republic Day of our country. So, in the opening remarks, anyway, Madam has already told this day has not come like that. Only lot of effort and dedication has been put by many eminent personalities, freedom fighters, and the Constitution Committee, as well as able leadership by Dr. Bhubaneswar Ambedkar. So actually, if we just by the Constitution Committee, which a set of papers which bind legacy these people have